easily service a vehicle displaying a TPMS malfunction indicator light using the Maxi TPMS TS508. Why is the TPMS mill on? The TPMS mill may be on for the following reasons. Now, we've known the possible causes for the fault. The key is to locate the exact fault using the Autel tools. Sensor check and TPMS diagnose. Enter into advanced mode. Choose the correct vehicle make, model, and year. Next, choose TPMS diagnose to check sensor status and TPMS system status. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate all sensors starting from the front left. Hold the tool close to the tire sidewall, right above the sensor, and press Trigger to activate the sensor. Once the sensor is successfully activated, there will be a green check. Here you can read the pressure. On the bottom bar, you can read sensor ID and temperature. A red battery icon means the sense battery is low. When you see it, replace the sensor. If sensor activation fails, there will be a red cross. Trigger the sensor again, and if it fails, it may indicate the sensor is broken. When you see a D icon, it means the sensor ID is duplicated. When all the sensors have been triggered, the OBD diagnose option will come on. We highly recommend OBD diagnose for complete TPM system check when OBD diagnose function is supported. Connect OBD cable with the vehicle and turn ignition to on position. The tool will automatically read sensors IDs and trouble codes from ECU. When reading is completed, the TPMS status is known. Trigger mark means the activated sensor ID, while OBD mark means the ECU sensor ID read by the tool. Green icons mean the activated IDs and positions are consistent with ECU IDs and positions. Red icons mean the IDs are inconsistent. Gray icons mean that the IDs are not retrieved. You can find the explanation in the bottom bar. Press Details and you will be shown the complete TPMS status chart. The first page shows the position, activated sensor ID, and ECU sensor ID. The second page shows pressure, temperature, and battery condition. If the TPMS icon is amber, it means that there is DTC in the ECU. Press Y to view the DTC description. Please repair the tire pressure monitor system as needed. Then click Erase DTCs to clear the codes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions about our products, please visit our website or simply contact us.